Welcome to TRADEREP. This is Short Hammer. It is the 17th of July, 2019, and we are looking at Amazon. Now, if you look at Amazon from the daily chart view, we're still holding this uptrend that we've been holding since the beginning of June. And each time Amazon has tapped this, we've sort of pushed up a little bit more. We also mentioned in our last video that the 2033 areas on Amazon is a strong supply area, and each time we push up into that, the buyers seem to be a little bit skittish, as if they're not quite sure that someone will buy from them at a higher price. And that's like any business. You buy product to be able to sell it to someone else at a higher price. If you're not sure you can sell that product to someone else for a higher price, you're not going to buy that product, or you won't be in business very long. So looking at Amazon, we see these different levels where buyers can step in, and levels a little bit higher where seller may provide a little bit of resistance. So let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's check the 30 minute. So on the 30 minute, we'll see these levels pretty clear. So if you're looking at the 2026, that's a level. 2023, that's a level. 2017s, that's a level. The 2006, that's a level. 2001, that's also a level. And 1995. Now, what are these? These are levels where buyers and sellers have decided that these points are important. And when we push down here into the 1995s, buyers feel that there's more value and that there is someone that will buy this from them at a higher point. The same thing was decided here in the 2001s. Buyers felt that, hey, there is someone that will buy this from me at a higher price. The same thing in the 2006s. Buyers stepping in thinking, hey, someone will buy this from me at a higher price. And we've seen this here to 2017s, but it seems as we go higher, these buyers are less sure and more apt to sell. So now at these upper levels, we need these buyers to prove that they do believe that someone will buy this from them at a higher price. And I think that what the people that are trading Amazon right now are waiting on are prime numbers. Either really good prime numbers to blow through these levels and to try to push all-time highs, especially headed into earnings, or prime numbers that disappoint, and then we may see a pullback down to the 1995, 1988s. We could blow through all this and really drop and retest that trend. But as of right now, we want this 1995, 2001 floor to hold, and this 2006. We just want the buyers to step in. If you're bullish on Amazon, you want buyers to continue to step in and push this up. And if you're bearish on Amazon, you'd like each one of these little levels for the buyers to move out of the way, to push us down, and for us to break that 1995. See that gap close to 1988, and then for us to just roll over. You'd love to see this 1988 area go away, and for us to drop into the 1960s or lower into the 1930s. That's what the sellers or the people that have a bearish perspective want to see. But as of right now, Amazon is showing pretty good relative strength as we're waiting for those prime numbers to come out. And the overall market is slightly variable because you have news coming that the China deal is not that good. You have news on oil that Iran is open to negotiations. You have news from the Fed. Jerome Powell spoke and saying that there's underlying data on the economy showing where interest rate cuts may not be a bad idea. So it seems as if there's news that's floating that supports some of the things the market is already expecting to happen, and then news that's maybe not as good based on market perspective. Amazon is primarily waiting on those prime numbers, and we have those prime numbers, and that's one catalyst. And then the next catalyst is earnings of Amazon next week. So that's what we have to keep our eyes on, and also these areas, this 1995, 2001, 2006, 2017, 2023, 2026. Those are the areas to watch on Amazon, and we'll see how it reacts this week if we are able to get those prime numbers this week, and we'll see how Amazon reacts, or the buyers and sellers react when those numbers come out.